Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Marvellous. That's right, friends. Today I am back with another unboxing video. And this is a strange one that sort of came out of left field. I have featured this fragrance on a first impressions video before. And Did I forget about this fragrance? Not really. It was one of the ones from this house that I was really hoping to enjoy. And I did enjoy it. But I thought at full retail, no, I'm not paying that. And then on eBay, a seller started to upload that they had some bottles from this house. And I became intrigued, and then one day they uploaded this fragrance. And I thought that is a very good price. And so I shall now reveal to you what the fragrance is. It is from the house of Parfum, and it is called Ambre Russe. That's right, I got this for about £65. I actually bought it on the 9th of October. Today's the 25th. So that's a long time. They said they sent it out. I waited for over a week for it to come. It never moved in tracking, so I opened a request on eBay. I can't remember what they're called now. I opened something on eBay, dispute, something like that. And they said, oh no, sorry. It would appear the bottle has not moved, so we will send you another one. Please don't give us negative feedback. And I said, all right. And it took them another few days, and they sent it out, and now it is here. So all's well that ends well. And here is my Ambre Russe. Let us unbox it, shall we? I enjoyed this one. If you go back and you look at my first impressions from the house, it was one of my favourites. I was a little underwhelmed. I thought it was going to be more. I think all of the fragrances from this house are really well made. Marc-Antoine Corticciato. He is a very good perfumer. And I was very happy with all of the fragrances in their build quality. There it is. A 50ml. And so I always kept an eye. I would have preferred a vintage bottle, and there has been some vintage bottles popped up, but the ones I tried were the latest formulations, and they were all very nice. And since I'm going through an amber phase at the minute, I thought it's not a bad idea to get a hold of this, and it came up at a very reasonable price, of which I was very happy to part with my hard-earned pounds. This was released in 2003. It was made with Antoine Corticciato. The top notes, I remember, were champagne, which was one of the main notes I got from it, and vodka. Decent sprayer. It's only a 50ml, which is probably for the best. The middle notes are cinnamon, Russian leather, tea, birch, juniper, and coriander. The base notes are amber, incense, and musk. It's lovely. I get the tea, I get the cinnamon, I get the amber, I get the boozy top. I get this slight creaminess from it as well. I don't know where that's coming from. But I think this is lovely. Very interesting. For 65 quid for 70ml. For 50ml. It's a bargain, I thought. And I am very pleased to add it to the collection. So, just goes to show you. Have some patience. Keep your eye out. And a bargain shall appear one day. Thank you very much for joining me on this brief unboxing. I hope you are well, and I will see you all again soon.